Hey everyone, today I am drawing amazing flag with a white background. They may look simple but each one has something unique. First we have Finland, clean and simple design. Next is Faroe Island, similar but with a unique touch. Here comes Georgia, very detailed and eye-catching. Now Guernsey, simple yet different. Next is Jersey, minimal but interesting design. Here is Japan, simple and elegant design. Now South Korea, one of the most unique flags. Here comes England, bold and classic cross. And finally Cyprus, a rare flag with a map on it. So which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments.